Now we're going to move on to a different shape and do circles. And once again, lifting up the tip just a little bit above the surface and doing a circle, draping the line over the surface. And if you find that you're a little bit off on the circle, you can always retrace over and just smooth the edge a bit. And you might want to try making different sizes of circles. And then once again, shading the outside edges into the center. You can use the tip of the applicator, or you can use the stick. Or if it's a large circle, you can even use the cotton swab and sort of make it even a smoother shading. So you can see there how this sort of adds a different dimension to the circle.